Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting course on the present continuous tense. I'm Emma, your guide on this learning journey. Together, we will explore how to use the present continuous in English. Sometimes we call this tense the present progressive, but it's the same thing. Our course is divided into two parts. In the part 1, we will have a brief lesson on the present continuous. In the part 2, you will have a fun quiz to test your knowledge. By the end of this course, you'll feel confident using the present continuous in your everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with understanding what the present progressive tense is all about. We use this tense to describe actions that are happening right now or actions that are ongoing. Here are some examples. Right now, I am talking to you. Ongoing action. She is studying for her exams this week. Structure of the present continuous. The structure of the present progressive is simple. It consists of the verb to be plus a verb ending in ing. Here's how it looks. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus am or is or are plus verb finishing by ing. Examples. I am eating lunch. She is playing soccer. We are reading books. Negative sentences. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus verb finishing by ing. Examples. I am not eating lunch. He is not playing soccer. You are not reading books. Interrogative sentences. Am or is or are plus subject plus verb finishing by ing. Am I eating lunch? Is she playing soccer? Are you reading books? The present progressive is commonly used for actions happening at the moment of speaking. They are watching a movie right now. Temporary actions or situations. I'm living with my parents for the summer. Future arrangements or plans. We are meeting friends tomorrow. Now, let's practice forming present continuous sentences. Can you complete these sentences? Let's complete these sentences together. She to dance right now. She is dancing right now. They not to work today. They are not working today. Are you to go to the party? Are you going to the party? Great job. You see, the present continuous is very simple. Now it's time for a quiz to see what you've learned. Don't worry, it's just for fun and practice. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. And tell me in the comments section if you understand better the present continuous. It will help me a lot for the channel. Ready for the quiz? Let's get started. You will have 10 questions and 10 seconds for each. Let's go! Question 1. What is the correct form? He, to watch TV now. Watches. Is watching. Watched. The correct answer is B. He is watching TV now. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. They are go to the market. They going to the market. They are going to the market. The correct answer is C. They are going to the market. Question 3. What is the negative form? She not to eat breakfast. Is not eating. Does not eat. Did not eat. The correct answer is A. Is not eating. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? Is he play soccer now? Is he playing soccer now? Does he play soccer now? The correct answer is B. Is he playing soccer now? For the form, does he play soccer now? It's the present simple. We have a lesson for this tense. I invite you to learn this lesson by the end of this video. Question 5. How often does she study? She to study every day. Is studying. Studying. Studies. The correct answer is C. He studies every day. This question highlights that present progressive is not used for routines, every day. This is why we use the present simple in this case. There was a trap. Question 6. What is the right question form? You to work right now? Are. Is. Do. The correct answer is A. Are you working right now? Question 7. Choose the sentence with correct verb form. I is writing an email. I am writing an email. I writing an email. The correct answer is B. I am writing an email. Question 8. What is the negative form of this sentence? They are playing games. They are not playing games. They do not play games. They not are playing games. The correct answer is A. They are not playing games. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? She working at the moment. She is working at the moment. She works at the moment. The correct answer is B. She is working at the moment. Question 10. What is the correct question? They coming to the party. Are. Is. Do. The correct answer is A. Are they coming to the party? Well done. You've completed the course on the present progressive. It was very simple, isn't it? I hope you found it helpful and fun. Remember to practice using this tense in your conversations. Keep using what you've learned today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section if you are more confident with the present progressive. See you in the next lesson.